Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 6th of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, and other Gov jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. 2 million doses of Sinovac vaccine arrive in Pakistan PIA special plane airlifts the 2 million doses from the Beijing Capital International Airport to Islamabad. 2. COVID vaccines 8 times less effective against the Delta variant. A study conducted on 100 healthcare workers across 3 centers in India has found that the Delta variant is 8 times less sensitive to antibodies generated by the COVID-19 vaccine. 3. Punjab to establish separate schools for the transgender community. The Punjab government will establish separate schools for the transgender community in selected cities of the province, and the first of its kind will be established in Multan very soon, Education Minister Dr. Murad Ross announced on Tuesday. 4. Balochistan asks WAPDA to interfere. Regulate water share issues under IRSA rules. Balochistan government has asked Water and Power Regulatory Authority to interfere and regulate the water share issues under the Indus River System Authority rules as a third party, as the Sindh government is denying the legitimate right to Balochistan. 5. Balochistan Stability and Prosperity Foundation of Pakistan's Growth Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa met with participants of the 7th National Workshop Balochistan at GHQ on Tuesday, according to a statement released by Inter-Services Public Relations. 6. COVID-19 Pakistan reported 1,347 cases and 19 deaths in 24 hours. Pakistan also conducted 45,245 tests in the span of 24 hours. 7. Data protection. China to tighten rules for firms listed overseas to enhance data protection. 8. Shafqat Mehmood launches IBCC's smartphone app for equivalency. Launch of application is a revolutionary step, Shafqat Mehmood says. 9. Latest gold rate in Pakistan today, 6 July 2021, is Rs. 89,510 per 10 grams, and the rate of gold is Rs. 104,400 per tola in Pakistan today. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.